In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find or get the project ID in Jira step by step. This is a very simple process, but it's something a lot of people get stuck on, especially if you're working with Jira integrations, APIs, automation rules, or third-party tools that specifically ask for a project ID instead of the project name or key. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to find it in seconds. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Jira and software tutorials like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Jira. Log in using your Atlassian account so you can access your dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll be on the main Jira screen, usually called the For You page or dashboard. From here, you'll see a list of projects you have access to, either on the left sidebar or under the Projects menu at the top. Next, click on the project for which you want to find the project ID. Make sure you click directly into the project itself, not just an issue inside the project. Once the project opens, you'll be taken to the Project Overview page, where you can see issues, boards, backlog, and project settings. Now, here's the most important part. Look at the address bar in your browser at the top of the screen. You'll see a URL that includes several parts. In that URL, look for a number that appears after a slash. This number is the project ID you're looking for. For example, if the URL ends with something like /projects/10,000, that number is the project ID you're looking for. Simply select that number in the address bar, copy it, and you're done. You can now paste and use this project ID anywhere it's required, such as API calls, automation rules, scripts, or integrations. Just to recap quickly, you go to Jira, open the project you want, check the browser URL, and copy the numerical value after the slash. That's all there is to it. There's no need to install any plugins or go into advanced settings for this method. Before we wrap up, if this video helped you save time or cleared up confusion, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy Jira tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.